Hi, my name is Luis Sanchez. I am the Food and Beverage Director here at Nick's Beverly Hills, and today I'm going to make you a Bacardi Martini. So I've chosen a basil and lime martini for today, and it's a pretty simple and really refreshing drink to make. So here I have a basil leaf in my mixing glass. We're going to break it down a little bit with the muddler. Just like that. And now we're going to add about the juice of about 1 lime. So we just do it inside the mixing glass. That's 1. And 1 more. And our next ingredient is simple syrup. Simple syrup is a combination of sugar and water. You just bring equal amounts of sugar and water and bring it to a boil until the sugar dissolves. And we're going to add about ½ an ounce of that into our mix. And then, of course, the star of the cocktail, Bacardi. This is Bacardi Light. And we're going to do 2 ounces of that. That's a generous 2-ounce pour. After that, we're going to ice up. And we're going to shake. I'm going to get a martini glass, and we're going to pour it in a chilled martini glass. And we're going to garnish it with a basil leaf, or a bunch of them like in this case, and you just kind of want to lay it on its side like that. And here you go. This is our Bacardi cocktail, Bacardi Martini with fresh lime and basil. Enjoy.